Hello student, good morning and welcome to everyone in my YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to start a new chapter of class 11th math, that is chapter number 10. The name of the chapter is straight lines. Okay, of NCERT textbook. Okay, the straight line chapter number 10 in NCERT textbook. So dear children, the main heading of the chapter is straight line. So when we talk about straight line, so straight line is a curve. A straight line is a curve such that the line segment joining curve such that the line segment joining any 2 point, a line segment joining any 2 points lies. Okay, the straight line is a curve such that the line segment joining any 2 points on it lies on. Okay, lies on it. Okay, means from the definition of straight line, this is say that a straight line is a curve. Okay, such that the line segment joining any 2 point on it. Okay, suppose this is a 2 point P and Q, and a line segment joining from these 2 points, they are also lies on it. Okay, so this is the definition of straight line. So dear children, every equation, okay, every equation of first degree in x and y represent a straight line. Every equation of first degree in variable x and y represent a straight line. So therefore, general equation of straight line, general equation of straight line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, general equation of straight line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are constant, x, y are variable. Okay, this is variable. This is constant, means okay, ABC are constant, x, y variable. So dear children, in this chapter basically we will learn slope of straight line and also to learn different form of equation, different form of equation of straight line in different conditions. Okay, we will find the equation of straight line in different conditions. So first topic of this chapter, straight line, is starting from slope or gradient. Okay, what is the slope or gradient of a straight line? Okay, so slope or gradient. Okay, children, the slope or gradient we see in around us, where children slide. Okay, in play in your sport we can see sliders where children slides. Okay, this means an inclination, having inclination with the ground in sliders. Same slope or gradient. What is the slope or gradient of the straight line? Okay, so a slope or gradient, a straight line, a straight lines makes a straight line makes an angle, and straight line makes an angle with positive direction of x axis in anti-clockwise sense. Okay, a straight line makes an angle with positive direction of x axis in anti-clockwise sense is called slope or gradient. Okay, it's called slope or gradient. Okay, here two word used. The straight line makes an angle positive direction of x axis in anti-clockwise sense. Okay. So the slope or gradient, of a line. So this is a Cartesian plane. This is x dash, y and y dash. Okay, this is a point O. So we know the horizontal line is called x axis and vertical is y axis. So the definition of slope or gradient here: a straight line makes an angle with the positive direction. Okay, this is the positive direction and negative, as we know. So a straight line, suppose this is a straight line, L makes an angle. Okay, makes an angle positive direction of x axis. Okay, so this is here angle is theta. Okay, on positive direction in anti-clockwise sense. Okay, the measurement of angle is not anti-clockwise sense. Okay, it is remembered that the measure of angle is anti-clockwise sense. So a straight line makes an angle positive direction of x axis in anti-clockwise sense. Then this is called slope or gradient of that lines. Okay. So if this is theta, then this angle is pi minus theta. Okay. So generally the slope of line L is represented by or denoted by m equal to tan theta. Okay, the slope of line means line L is denoted by m equal to tan theta, where m is called slope. Tan theta is the trigonometric ratio, tan is trigonometric ratio, theta is the angle between positive direction of the x-axis and angle. Okay, so the slope of a straight line denoted by m equal to tan theta. Okay, and next, if this line L is parallel to x-axis, if line L is parallel to x-axis, okay, parallel to x-axis, so this means inclination between x-axis and line is 0 degree. Inclination is 0 degree or maybe 180 degree. Okay, also 80 degree or 0 degree. Inclination 180 degree. So in this case, when a line parallel to x-axis lies on it, so the angle between them is 0 degree. Okay, the angle between them is 0 degree. So in this case, the slope of the line is m equal to, this is theta is 0 degree, tan 0 degree is 0. So when a line parallel to x-axis or lies on x-axis, then slope of line is 0. Okay, slope of the line is 0, but when the line L parallel to y-axis or lies on y-axis, okay, when the line is parallel to y-axis or lies on y-axis, in this case the angle between them is 90 degree. Okay, theta equal to 90 degree and m equal to tan 90 degree. So tan 90 degrees undefined. Okay, so we can say when the line parallel to y-axis or lies on y-axis, the slope of line is not defined. Okay, in this case slope is not defined. Clear? Okay, and the angle between line and x-axis, okay, lies from 0 degree to 180 degree. Okay, 0 to 180 degree. And the slope of a straight line equally inclined, the straight line equally inclined to each other. Okay, the straight line equally inclined each other at an angle 45 degree and 135 degree. In 45 and 135 degree they are equally inclined. Okay children, so basically today we will learn the definition of a straight line and what is the slope of a straight line. Okay, slope of a straight line makes an angle with positive direction of x-axis and anti-clockwise change, and generally the slope of line is denoted by m equal to tan theta, and the angle between them is lies 0 to theta is like 0 to 180 degree. Okay, and one thing also remember that if theta is acute angle, if theta is acute, if theta is acute, then slope is positive, then slope of line is positive, and if theta is obtuse, if theta is obtuse angle, then slope of line is negative. Okay, one thing remember that when theta is acute angle, then slope of line is positive, and if theta is obtuse angle, then slope of line is negative. Okay, so dear children, I hope after watching this my video we will concept all the term related to the slope. Okay.